How to change Verizon router to 2.4 GHz. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address. Enter your admin username and password. Then navigate to the Wi-Fi settings section of the router's interface. This may be under basic or advanced settings depending on your model. Look for the option labeled self-organizing network or band steering and disable it. This will allow you to manage the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks separately. After disabling SON, rename the 2.4 GHz network SSID to help you easily identify. To ensure certain devices use only the 2.4 GHz network, set up a guest network. If you experience interference, log in to your router again. Go to the Wi-Fi settings and select a less congested channel. Ensure your router firmware is up to date. Place your router centrally in your home and away from interference sources like microwaves and cordless phones to improve signal strength. Monitor your Wi-Fi for potential conflict from nearby networks on the same channel. After this adjustment, test the connection on 2.4 GHz enabled devices, ensuring a stronger and more reliable performance. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.